Hello everyone. Are you guys well prepared for the SAT that's happening on the 9th of March? Well, irrespective of your answer, you are at the right place and just about at the right time. Stay tuned till the end of the video. My name is Punit Ahuja and I'm the founder of LessonBoard. At LessonBoard, we train students live online for SAT, ACT and school academics. Apart from being the founder and director of LessonBoard, I am also a SAT verbal trainer. And under my guidance, the highest that one of my students could get was 1580 on the SAT and a perfect 36 on ACT. Well, so for all those who are taking the SAT on the 9th of March, LessonBoard is conducting a free webinar come workshop that will be focusing on SAT reading and writing strategies. Okay, so come be a part of this workshop. I'll be taking you through the SAT reading and writing strategies that is going to be really helpful to all of you. Click on the registration link below and be a part of this webinar. And yes, I'll be sharing something really good at the end of the session, which you guys are going to love me for. Okay, so hope to see you guys there.